Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lin. I'm going to introduce ARIS to you and present a short 10-minute video with live demo. Mainly, today's content introduces three major parts. Firstly, I will talk about the background story about ARIS, such as where the name came from. Then, I will demonstrate how to use the tool to complete the modeling as well as the process mining. At the end, there will be a brief comparison between ARIS and Solonis to share with you based on my own observation. ARIS stands for Architecture of Integrated Information Systems, which was created by August Wilshire. Software AG is the current ARIS trademark owner since IDS Share AG was acquired. ARIS relies mainly on its own 5-view architectures. These 5 views are the organizational, data, service, functional, and process views of a process. The classification is made to break down the complexity of the model into 5 factors and make the business process modeling simpler. The framework of ARIS is present on the right hand, so the audience can visually understand how ARIS looks like. ARIS is also a very known approach for the description of the information system architectures, especially in German-speaking countries. There are 6 key features within ARIS based on the website description, such as the user can discover the process reality by modeling and analyze, monitor, and customize the process mining, use the major features tools in the system. With the advanced account, when you log into the ARIS cloud, you can have 2 roles. One work as the designer to model the process, and the other work as the analytics to do the process mining. For the modeling part, the user can select a framework from the pre-defined tools or customize the interface as the quick enter. For each of the tools, ARIS provides the framework description and the template for user to play with. As they claim, you don't need any background knowledge before to use ARIS. As the analytics, the user needs to create a project and upload the dataset in the first place. Since ARIS didn't provide any pre-uploaded data, here I use the FCI event log data to show the basic function. Due to the limitation of the dataset, today in the live demo section, I won't be able to show all the functions within the tools. CSV file is the only format ARIS can accept. By dropping the CSV file, the user can get the snap on the overview and the process detail by creating overview process explore, and the app builder. In the overview section, the key metrics will display on the top and followed by the case per week or month you can click to select. And the average process throughput time will be displayed on the bottom. The user can filter the data by click the button on the left hand to choose different attributes, activities, as well as the flows. In the process explore section, it shows the happy path by default. By playing with measure, aggregation, and the activity and the connections, the user can see all the variant through the process panel. By enlarge the number of activities and the connections, the panel will show the process beyond the happy path. If the user click variant panel, there will be a bar chart on the right hand. In the app builder, the user can customize the dashboard for their own use. Since I don't have the data set available here, I cannot show the details. However, I had watched some YouTube videos which present a snap of what extra function ARIS can provide. In the video, the author used the data about procure to pay as an example. The user can start with process mining from an overview on the dashboard page with all the important metrics, such as process per categories, vendor per countries, and the purchase organizations. On the Discover page, on the left hand would be the reconstructive process flow to see all the variants. The top bar was the happy path, which starts with the review purchase requisition with the average cycle time on the right hand. By selecting the long tail of the cycle time, the analytics could find the potential factor of contributing the longer cycle time. Root cause minor function could indicate who caused the delay. More than that, by clicking the variant, the discovery window would highlight the cause in the particular cases for deep analysis. Another big thing the enterprise account could provide is the confirmers checking. In the diagram page, the system allowed the user to create a BPM and or other process mining diagram and demonstrate how the general process could be. On the confirmers checking page, ARIS can show the rate of the confirmers on the left hand with the purchase organization across the time in this case. On the right hand, the potential confirmers instant issue has been highlighted for the deep dive. The analytics can look into different variation to see the root cause and pass the finding to the co-author to reconsider the process design. From my own observation, ARIS and Solonis provide a similar interface and functionality in all the aspects, such as reporting, process engineering, content management. However, Solonis was rated higher than ARIS in terms of capability with other tools. It has an app store with over 300 pre-packaged options for solutions like Salesforce and ServiceNow. Meanwhile, Solonis is more friendly to student users who provide hundreds of tutorial videos over the internet and the library, compared to ARIS. This is the end of my presentation. Thanks for listening. I also attach my reference link for your review. Thank you very much.